Here we have British one, silver, made in 1980, Birmingham by William Ehrhardt. This is fusee watch. Very nice condition, very nice case. It's a very good condition. I'm not sure, maybe this hour second needs to be replaced, but let's see how it wins. We open. Here we have British hallmarks inside the case, number. We have maker's name WWE, which means William Ehrhardt, and dating from 1918. How we win this clock? We put some key. And we win in the left side. Left, not right, left. So, how it works? If we see the subsecond hand is working, nice, watch is working. Let's see how look. Here is, you see, it's a chip on the dial, but you don't see it. You don't see it normally, but only when you open this. Here is an kind of tail. You open this. Here we have the movement. Movement is marked only with the number. Probably something can be behind this dial, but it's not sure. Working proper. As you see, here is an cover. Which we can close. Cover is closed. Here we have another hallmarks British. All watch is silver. We closing. Subsecond is still working. We try to shake. Watch is still working. Nice piece. Not so old, only from 1918, but it's a solid piece of silver, British. William Ehrhardt, 1918, Birmingham.